All right, guys, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and you already know when you see them wings, the wing king in his bag. I'm gonna show you guys how to make hot honey garlic parmesan wings. Yep, get to your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients. Back here we have our chicken wings. We have some butter, honey, hot sauce, olive oil, some chopped garlic, seasoned salt, black pepper, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, baking powder, and some freshly chopped parsley. That's all you need. This is quick, easy. Let's jump into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna season our chicken wings. We're gonna start off with a little olive oil as a binder, add our garlic powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, and our baking powder. And we're just gonna go in with our hands and get this all mixed up. We're gonna move this aside and head over to our air fryer. All right, so over at our air fryer, we're gonna go ahead and get this baby preheated. We're gonna set it to 400 degrees for 24 minutes. You could do 20 to 24 minutes, it's totally up to you. I like mine's crispy, but I'm gonna set it to 24 minutes. If they're crispy before then we'll just take them out. You just wanna be able to monitor it. So we're gonna hit start, and we're gonna let this baby preheat. And once it's finished preheating, we're gonna add our chicken pieces. All right, guys, so our air fryer has preheated. I'm gonna hit it with a little cooking spray. We're gonna add our chicken pieces, and that beeping sound is gonna remain until we shut it, until we close our air fryer. And guys, you already know this is my favorite air fryer here. I just love it, it's really spacious. I like the design, it's sleek. The link to the air fryer is in my video description, so go check it out. You can grab it off of Amazon. You won't even use that old air fryer that you got once you get this one here, because it also has other features too as well, not just the air fryer. All right, so we're gonna close it. It starts automatically, and we're gonna flip these babies over halfway through the cooking process. So for me, it's gonna be at the 12-minute mark. All right, so we're 12 minutes in. We're gonna stop it real quick, take a look at what we have, and we're just gonna start flipping these babies over on the other side. We're gonna close our lid. We're gonna let these babies cook for the remaining 12 minutes or until they're to your desired texture, crispy, or I guess not so crispy. All right, guys, as you can hear it beeping, it says get food. Gonna lift that baby up, show you what we have over here. All right, now if you need them more crispy than that, these are crispy enough for me. So you can either transfer these to a warming rack, or you can leave them in your air fryer just to stay warm while we head over to our stove and prepare our hot honey garlic parm sauce, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and prepare our sauce. We're gonna melt a half a stick of butter. Once that butter melts, we're gonna add in our garlic. And we're gonna get this moved around for about a minute or so. And make sure that your pan is on low. You don't want this high. You don't wanna burn your garlic or brown your butter. This should be cooked on low. All right, so after that minute, we're gonna go in with our honey. Now guys, if you don't have hot honey, you can use regular honey and just add you some chili flakes to this. Or if you just want to leave out the spiciness, then you can do that also. But that's why it's called hot honey garlic parmesan. Next, we're gonna go in with our hot sauce. And we're gonna get this moved around in here. Once we get that mixed in like this, we're gonna go in with our parsley. A little Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna get this mixed around like this. Now we're just gonna introduce our wings to our sauce. We're gonna get those babies coated in this sauce like this. Guys, there you have it. All right, we're good right here, guys. We're gonna turn our heat off and take a look at this. That's beautiful. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these babies plated up. and we're gonna head into quality control. And guys, there you have it. Hot honey, garlic, and there you have it. Hot honey, garlic, parmesan wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because you already know the wing came ready. All right, so it's quality control time. We're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, look at these. Man, that boy something else when it comes to these wings, dog. Something else when it comes to these wings. Oh man. Oh man. One more quality control. I'm wasting stuff all over my shirt. Man, these babies are fire. Listen, you want these at your next game day gathering, they gonna love them. They so parmesan-y, they so garlicky, they so hot honey-y, they're everything to eat. So guys, so until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, I'm the wing king, but I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.